So hello everyone! I'm here again guys. It's me, your palalabs. Mga kalalabs natin dyan, kumusta kayo? So here your guys, Sis Joanne. Ayun, feeling good and feeling busy today because I am no na naman guys. It's my schedule na naman today to going out na naman guys. So mag-market na naman ako guys kasi wala na tayong mga kalamanan guys. Ayan, it looks empty na yung mga bukag natin guys at mga tray. Ayun, so wala na talaga, naubusan na tayo ng mga curls guys. So far so good naman no kasi ang ganda naman kasi hindi yung mga very good naman yung mga natin guys. Kasi nasusold out kahit papano no. Kahit iilan lang ang mga customer dito, hindi naman karamihan talaga. So kasi meron din mga ibang mga tindahan din guys. So hindi lang man tayo no. So we can't please them kung saan sila gusto mamili no. Hindi natin sila mapilit kung saan. So ganun lang talaga guys. We are very flexible about that and very understanding no. So I think yun ang update natin guys. Umulan tayo kagabi, ayun. As you can see guys, medyo maputik na naman ang daanan natin but very good kasi we have a good weather naman. Today, wag lang yung umulan pa kagabi guys tapos uulan pa din tayo hanggang ngayon. So, I think later guys, matutuyo na naman ang mga daan natin dyan. Kasi maglabas ako guys, going out si Palalabs Joanne you guys. So, mamili pa ako guys, no? Yun ang update ko today. So, I hope everyone have a nice day and a great day. You have a wonderful day to all of you guys. And, yun lang guys. Laban lang. Huwag mawala ng pag-asa habang may buhay pa tayo guys. O, yun. May pag-asa pa talaga. So, always think positive. And, be strong. So, yun lang. Laban lang kahit wala tayong kalaban, guys, no? Ganun lang talaga ang mga natin dito. So, wag kang mahinaan dyan. Tuloy lang ang laban natin. Keep going, no? And continue. Be consistent. So, love you all, guys. I think mahaba na tayo. So, thank you so much for watching. Ingat kayo palagi kung saan man kayo. So, always bring your umbrella. Huwag kalimutan, no? Kasi bigla-bigla din tayong mag-ulan pang minsan-minsan, guys. So, kaya nga ingat kasi rain or shine. So, always be ready, guys, no? So, yun lang. Update natin. Have a nice day and keep safe. God bless to all of you. Thank you so much. Keep safe. Bye. See you next again, guys. Thank you for watching.